Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. Today I got a nice, fun analog watch face that I thought you just might like. Now, the name of it is called Integrated One. It's a nice analog watch face. In the AOD mode, you are going to get digital time, very basic, very simple. When the watch face is on, the color is definitely different. I like what's going on around the index, and I do like the numbers and the font as well. They really stand out. I do like the background theme, and I do like the fact that it has digital time as well. And it is going to be in 12 hours, and I'm guessing if your watch face is set to 24 hours, it should show in 24 hours as well. Now, the watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you download ASAP. Now, I do like the funky analog hands. I think they make the watch face stand out for a casual wear. Not bad at all. In this dial, you're going to get your battery information. Here's going to give you your heart rate, digital time, your step status info, your date, your day of the week, and it is in the active, so tap here, you can get your battery info, tap here, you can get your heart rate info, and also down at the bottom, you can get your step status information as well. So I thought this was definitely a good look for a casual dress down watch face. Again, it is up to you. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.